Hey there! Are you ready to unlock the secret to healthy aging? Let's dive into the best diets to keep you feeling vibrant and strong in your life after 50. First up, we have the Mediterranean diet packed with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. This diet is a powerhouse for heart health and weight management while reducing inflammation. Imagine enjoying delicious meals that are also great for your body. Next, let's talk about the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This plan is designed to lower blood pressure and emphasizes lean proteins, veggies, fruits, and low-fat dairy products. Perfect for maintaining a healthy weight and a happy heart. Now, for those looking to preserve muscle mass and boost metabolism, a high-protein diet is your go-to. Think lean meats, fish, tofu, and legumes. It's all about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Looking to cut down on carbs? A low-carb diet can help you shed pounds and improve blood sugar control. Focus on whole grains and fiber-rich foods and say goodbye to refined carbs and sugars. It's a game changer. And finally, a plant-based diet. Eating more plant-based meals can reduce calorie intake, support heart health, and provide essential nutrients. Plus, it's great for the planet. Now, here are some practical tips to keep you on track. Practice portion control. Stay hydrated, plan balanced meals, limit processed foods and added sugars, and don't forget to incorporate regular physical activity. Simple, right? So which diet plan works best for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Better Life After 50 for more health and wellness tips. Take charge of your health, make smart food choices, and enjoy a vibrant life after 50. Stay healthy, everyone.